Hello, my name is Doug Tembrock, and I am a consultant, a part of the eQMS Quality Management Solutions. And I'm going to show a presentation that highlights the features of a solution we have created called eQMSRR, Web-Based Results Recording. There's a little background of QMS, and you can find more at eQMSinc.com. And the core values that drive us is reliability, do what we say we're going to do, the quality and workmanship of our products, and then our teamwork that we have developed through the industry and partnering with different consultants, and also our strong core base that we have, but with the high values of QMS and being the best partners out there. And we have, if you can see at the bottom here, we have for 3 years in a row made it on the Inc. 5000, the fastest growing private companies in America, and these are where we are within the list. So we are working to get the word out of what offerings that we have and how good QMS is. As far as this product, the problem we have with this is the normal results recording within SAP. It's QE51N, the results recording screen. It's a great screen, and in a lot of cases it works fine, where I have here this example: appearance and pH and lead, calcium chloride, and loss on dry test. And we have the results going in, but this kind of environment, if I'm doing more of a lab test bench environment where all I do is appearance, or all I do is calcium and chloride, what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to go in this inspection lot, and then if I've got one in this inspection lot, I'm going to have to open and close and open and close, where I may have testing equipment that takes 30 vials of something and puts it in and comes back 2 hours later when I'm ready now to record those results against 20 different inspection lots. And so what we've done is we've developed a solution that this is what's called eQMSRR results recording. Is a solution that is much more bench oriented, where we can have tests aligned to grouping like groups of tests that are done throughout the benches. These are all predefined in configuration screens that we have set up with this solution. This is a web-based solution. You can either run it out of, and we'll see a demo here soon, either you can run it out of SAP ECC, or you can run it using the URL right out of the internet. You will have to just have your normal login into SAP to get in. But this is a web-based version of results recording, and in this case here you'll see pH going down through multiple inspection lots. And the advantage to this new solution is that it's web-based for user interface, visual color when they're doing results recording, pass, fail, because now that we're on the web we can be more creative. Configurable tabs, at what tests go into what grouping. You actually group the like tests, which would be more like your lab benches. Document management system integration for displaying documents and linking documents. SPC charts. Now we're doing SPC charts for groupings of entries that we just made, because we're now geared more towards a workbench. Ability to change text, so some of the headings, some of the tabs we can, or the tabs we can make them be whatever they need to be, and this header description and different things for recording, because we're on the web now, much easier, we can make those changes. We leverage the standard SAP functionality. So this is, even though it's web-based, it's still using all the tables and functions from the core SAP. And then the ability to enter results and copy them down, because in a lot of cases it may be a pass or it may be a value and everything got the same value. You can just copy it down. And because this is now web-based, it's much easier to move to be a mobile solution as well. This is the basic front-end screen, the selection screen. Again, this is from configuration. This can be whatever description you want. This description as far as going into results, to record results, or then to go into the samples, to look at the samples. What's required on the screen and what's optional. This little red dot, red asterisk here says those are optional fields, and that was built in the configuration. And then once on the screen, in this case, I went after a specific work center, and inside that work center, certain tests are done, and I can hit this chemistry station 1, and it's got calcium, chloride, magnesium. And if you notice here with the inspection lot, these are all different inspection lots. And if we were running QE51N, the core results recording screen, we'd have to go into every one. In and out, save, in and out, save, in and out, save. Where here we unlock them all, enter, and then lock. So that is the overview, and now the next two videos, one will be the demo and of the screen itself and how it looks in comparison to QE51N. I'll have it sitting up on both screens. And the second one is the configuration back to the screen, and to show these new configuration settings that we have developed that link to the actual running of the program. Thank you.